Good morning, students. Now I am going to show you how to make Rakhi. Rakhi festival is coming, so you learn how to make Rakhi, and I have all used materials. Whatever I am using, all are old one only. Nothing new I have bought for it. So you can see what all things I have collected from home only to make this Rakhi. I have one bakram cloth. This is used by tailors. A piece of glitter paper I have taken, this paper circle I have taken, this mauli I have taken, and this I have collected from shadi card, and some beads and all I have collected from old sari and the shoot of. Okay, so these things are there. You can see fevicol is there, scissor will be needed. Okay, so let's start how to make it. So first I will take one circular with the help of this bakram cloth. Here you can use any thing apart from this bakram. You can use paper or directly you can use glitter paper. On this it sticks properly, so I have taken this one. And here I have one I already arranged with this motifs, so beads are already arranged. So I will paste this on the middle, and look here. So all these things are available in market also, but if it is available at home from old clothes of females, मम्मी दीदी का पुराने कपड़े में से सबको निकालोगे तो मिल जाएगा, ठीक ना. विथ परमिशन यू कैन कलेक्ट फ्रॉम दैट old clothes which are not used. So here I am pasting this part, you can see. So now what all things what I am going to do, I will show you. I am going to paste something with the help of this glitter paper. Any design you can think and do. So any shape you cut, but you first plan what are you going to do it. Here I will arrange these things in this way. Try to cut all the shapes so that it looks same. So all the required things first I am cutting and keeping aside, and then we will have to assemble it. So I think that now it will be enough for this. So we will start to paste here. It is very easy work, and all the materials, nothing I have bought from market, all I have collected from old saris, suits, or greeting cards and shadi cards. I have collected all these things. Here you can use the statue of Ganesha, which is mostly used in the greeting shadi card. So nothing I have planned what to do, but I have collected some things and I will show you how to give this shape of a Rakhi. So you can see it is looking very bright. So you have to keep in mind of symmetry also, that all things are arranged in a proper manner. Now we will paste these beads. Apply Fevicol and paste it. Mixed color I have, so I will use the mixed color only. So here pink and light pink I am using because their numbers are more with me. Then according to the pattern, here will come light pink. So one more light pink I am having. So you have to see that pattern does not mixed up. Here two pinks are there. Here I will use light pink one. Okay. Then here light pink, here light pink. So again I can use one blue color also. I will use because numbers are not equal. We can use blue here and one more blue here. You can use so that it will look little symmetric. So this thing is ready. Now I will cut it little bit because to give you proper shape according to the materials used. Or if you have more materials, you can paste it from one circle with this type of motifs also you can paste here. But I am completing with these things. So you can see that I have not bought anything from the market. It is all used thing collected from the home only. But it is all things whatever I am using, it is available in market. If you are able to buy, you can buy also. And if you are able to collect from old shadi card, then old dress, then also it is okay. So it is sticking in the hand because of the Fevicol which I have used. For that we will let it dry for some time, then it will be okay. So this way, so you can see that good shape is coming. Now only one thing is left, the dory part, that lace part we will paste, or you can just stitch with the help of a needle and thread. You can see it is really looking very good. Now I will with this molly also I can make the lace, or I will use this sadi card which I have collected from sadi card. I will use one of this and paste it with the help of Fevicol. Here I will paste it, and for pasting that one I will use one little smaller circle paper. Here also you can use buckram also. I will apply Fevicol, or you can stitch it also. So other things we will remove so that good photograph will come. So you can see the Rakhi is made and it is really looking nice when we will tie it at in the home hand. Okay, so this way you can make a very beautiful Rakhi, and the standard which I have made, it can be sold in the market also. So I hope that you will use more things, because you will having more things, you have time to collect. So you can make this like this Rakhi, and I hope that you will be interested in making this, and all will make and send the photographs to your class teachers or the link provided. Okay, and you can send it to me also. And now have a closer look of this. Here also you can paste beads at the end of, then also it will look nice, it will give a better look. So now you can see it, how it is looking clearly. So now it is okay. I hope that you all have understood. It is a very short video with very few things which I have used, but it is really looking nice. So you can make this type of Rakhi and use it also. That doesn't mean that you will not use. You can use this type of Rakhi, because if you will go to the market to buy this standard Rakhi, it will almost cost more than 25 to 30 rupees. Okay, so thank you all of you.